Bujuga Kanawia, and welcome to Ojibwe Word of the Day. Today I'm going to share a few different words for the month of March. This is a time when you have the melting, refreezing, the beginning of the sugar bush, lots of different things going on. So one of the words for the month of March in Ojibwe is onaabani-giizis. And onaabani-giizis means crusted snow moon. And that's just a reflection of the weather patterns that happen during this lunar cycle. Another common word that you will hear for March is Miigwech, and Miigwech means broken snowshoe moon. Again, a reflection of a common occurrence when people are breaking through the snow. It's a tough time getting around in the woods, and that one also is pretty common in our area. A little further north, you will often also hear March referred to as aandego-giizis, and aandego-giizis means the crow moon, because the crows are really the first birds to start the great northern bird migrations. In our area, we still have crows sticking around even in cold weather months, but they do move further north, and the crows that were hanging out in warmer places are coming into our area, and that begins the process. Kind of in a cultural or spiritual context, a lot of times people will refer to March as Webinige-giizis. And Webinige-giizis really means the throwing away moon. And it's because spring is a time of healing and regeneration. It's a time of cleansing. And a lot of times people are thinking about throwing away the sickness and the struggles of winter and moving into a new phase of life and for the year. So as the ice is melting and the weather's warming, Webinige-giizis is a time of renewal. Miigwech. Miigwech, Wagosh, indigenous.
Giizis.
And that was
Ojibwe Word of the Day.
Miigwech.